Good morning students. Once again I welcome you all in science class. In our previous lesson, in our previous video, I had discussed about the synthetic fibers. I was discussing about polymerization, the process of polymerization, then rayon. Okay, I told you that rayon is also called as artificial silk and it was first obtained by chemical treatment of wood pulp. Okay, and it is having the property of absorbing the moisture, especially the clothes are made up of rayon. They can absorb sweat and therefore they are preferred over clothes made of other synthetic fabrics, isn't it? Now in this video we are going to understand about nylon. What is nylon? Rayon is a synthetic fabric, synthetic fiber. Nylon is also a synthetic fiber. I told you that rayon is semi-synthetic fiber. Okay, it is synthetic fiber but it is semi-synthetic, to be very clear. Why it is semi-synthetic? What do you mean by semi-synthetic fiber? Semi-synthetic fibers are prepared by chemical synthesis from natural materials, isn't it? I also told you that rayon is made from wood pulp. Okay, wood pulp is a natural source and this wood pulp is used for the preparation of rayon, and as such it is a man-made fiber. Okay, but when I talk about nylon, it is a totally man-made synthetic fiber. It does not have any such raw material from the plant or the animal source. Okay, am I clear? It is a totally man-made synthetic fiber without any plant or animal source. It does not use any plant or animal source for the production of nylon. Okay, correct? Nylon was first made in 1931. From which materials? It was first made in 1931 from coal, water and air. Okay, from coal, water and air, nylon was made in 1931. Nylon is one of the most elastic synthetic fabric. Okay, I hope you all know the meaning of elastic. Okay, it is stretchable, it is elastic. For example, rubber band. If you stretch a rubber band, it is having elasticity. It gets stretched, isn't it? So in the same way, nylon is one of the most elastic synthetic fabric. It does not lose strength even after repeated use. If you repeatedly use the nylon, it will not be losing its strength. This is the property of nylon. It is having the property of elasticity. It is an elastic synthetic fabric which does not lose strength even after repeated use. How it is formed? How it is manufactured? It is manufactured in a specially designed machine. Okay, specially designed machines are involved. Okay, it involves the chemical reactions. Chemical reaction hoti hai. Okay, chemical reaction is required here. The chemical reactions is required here to create nylon. And how it is carried out? It is carried out in a specially designed machine at very high temperature. It needs very high temperature also. Okay, am I clear? It needs very high temperature. It is carried out in a specially designed machine and chemical reaction is involved here for its manufacture. What happens here? The molten semi-liquid nylon is forced into a spinneret. What is the use of spinneret? First, the molten semi-liquid nylon is allowed to move into a spinneret. What is the use of spinneret? What does it do? The spinneret separates the nylon into very thin strands or fibers. Spinneret क्या करती है? Spinneret separates, nylon को separate करती है. It separates nylon into very thin strands, or the fibers में separate कर देती है. Next point, the fibers. अब जो fiber बना, spinneret की help से fiber बना. अब ये fiber क्या करेगा? The fibers are then spun through a spinning wheel. The fibers are allowed to go into a spinning wheel. What is the use of spinning wheel? यहाँ पे spinning wheel में क्या होती है? They are getting spun, and when they are getting spun in through a spinning wheel, they are getting converted into yarn. YARN. I will repeat this point. The fibers which are obtained from the spinneret. Molten semi liquid nylon था, उसको किस में डाला गया? Spinneret में. Spinneret ने क्या किया? It has separated the nylon into very thin strands, very thin fibers. These fibers are then spun through a spinning wheel. Spinning wheel में spun हुई. Then it is getting converted into yarn. YARN, yarn. This yarn is then, what happens to this yarn? This yarn is then woven into fabric. Yarn से फिर weaving होती है. Weaving होगी तो क्या बनेगा? Fabric बनेगा. Okay? Yarn is woven into fabric. Tighter the weave, the more nylon fabric will have. So the strength of nylon fabric depends upon how tightly the weaving is done. अगर उसकी weaving बहुत tightly होती है, then the strength of the nylon fabric will be more. Okay? This procedure is actually performed to make all the varieties of synthetic fibers. Okay, same procedure is applied for all the synthetic fibers. अब अभी हम लोग आगे भी synthetic fibers पढ़ेंगे. Okay, so the same procedure is performed to make all the varieties of synthetic fibers. Next, we move on to the properties of nylon. Nylon is strong. It is very strong. It is elastic. It is lightweight. Lightweight means बहुत हल्का. Lustrous means shiny. Easy to wash. It is washable also. It is extensively used to make clothes, socks, ropes, tents, parachutes, and a wide variety of articles. Okay? See, as I told you that the properties of nylon were strong. It is very strong, it is elastic, it is lightweight, it is lustrous and easy to wash. So these are the properties. And because the nylon is having these properties, this nylon is used to make clothes, socks, ropes, tent, parachutes and various other articles also. So you just imagine how this nylon is essential, okay, nowadays. So these things are made from nylon. When nylon stockings were introduced, I hope you all know the meaning of stockings, okay. When nylon stockings were introduced, they were in great demand. बहुत ज़्यादा demand में थी पहले, okay. जब nylon stockings introduce हुई ना, बनना चालू हुआ, it was in the market, then they were in great demand, okay. But most of the nylon production was diverted to the manufacture of parachutes at the time of World War II. फिर क्या हुआ? World War II came. Second World War के time में क्या हुआ? They needed parachutes. Okay, so it was this nylon, which nylon was used to make stockings. Nylon stockings बनता था. फिर World War II आया. For World War II, they needed parachutes. So then instead of manufacture of stockings, what was manufactured? Parachutes during the time of Second World War. Parachutes बनने लगा Second World War के time में. Okay, then after this war, after the Second World War, the production of stockings was resumed. Again the human beings, they started manufacturing the stockings after Second World War. But the demand was so huge that often there were nylon riots. Okay, nylon riots started to happen there. Okay, there was so demand. I hope I am clear. The next synthetic fiber is polyester. Polyester is a man-made fiber. Polyester is a fiber which is wrinkle resistant. Wrinkle, सिकुड़न बोलते हैं ना, सिकुड़न होना, सिकुड़ जाना, that is called wrinkle. So it is wrinkle resistant, it is strong, it is lightweight and elastic. So these are the properties of polyester. Like nylon, polyester is also having these properties. It is also strong, it is lightweight, it is elastic and it is wrinkle resistant. The clothes are also made from polyester fabrics. Okay, and the clothes which are made from polyester fabrics, they have excellent wash and wear characteristics. Okay, they are having excellent wash and wear characteristics, and therefore they do not need much care. उनके ऊपर केयर करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती. Okay, they get excellently washed. Okay, terylene and dacron. Okay, terylene and dacron are the common varieties of polyester. Polyester की दो varieties हैं. One is terylene, other one is dacron. And these terylene and dacron, which are the common varieties of this class of synthetic fiber, it is mixed with natural fibers. So terylene and dacron are the polyesters which are mixed with natural fibers. Why? They are mixed with natural fibers in order to enhance their properties. In order to enhance their properties. Very important, terylene and dacron. Second one is terrycot. What is terrycot? Terrycot is also a type of polyester. It is a blend of terylene and cotton. Blend means mixture, mix करना. Terylene and cotton दोनों को mix करेंगे. Terylene and cotton को mix करेंगे तो क्या आएगा? Terrycot. And it is commonly used for making the dress materials, shirts and skirts and various other things. Terrycot. Okay, terrycot is a blend of terylene and cotton. Next one is terry wool. Terry wool is a blend of terylene and wool. As the name implies, terry wool. It is having terylene and wool, which it is having amazing properties. It is used to make suit lengths. Okay. Next one is terry silk. As the name implies, it is a blend of terylene and silk. Terry silk means terylene plus silk. It is a cheaper version of silk. Okay, silk का cheaper version है. And it is used to make saris, dress materials. This is terry silk. Next one is polyester. As the name indicates, it is made up of many ester units which may be synthesized from petroleum products. Okay, so how the polyester is synthesized? It is made from petroleum products. So it is made up of many ester units. It is made up of many ester units. In higher classes you will be studying about the esters. Okay, you just have this idea that it is made up of many ester units, and these ester units are synthesized from petroleum products. You may have heard earlier, you may have heard about PET bottles, PET jars. है ना, आपकी मम्मी किचन में वाटर को स्टोर करने के लिए या दूसरी चीज़ों को स्टोर करने के लिए PET jars and PET bottles में रखती हैं, स्टोरेज. Okay, she stores these things. What is PET? First, let me tell you what is the full form of PET. PET is P means poly, E is for ethylene, and T is for terephthalate. Polyethylene terephthalate. PET, polyethylene terephthalate, is actually a polyester. It is a polyester. It is used for making utensils. As you know this, it is used for making utensils, wires, film rolls and many other useful items. Okay, I hope I am clear. PET is a type of polyester. It is a polyester which is used for making utensils, wires, film rolls and many other useful products. So here in this video I had talked about nylon and polyester. I hope you all have understood. Please go through the video and try to understand it. Okay, thank you.